I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. Alright you guys, I'm back again for another review. Today we are going to review the smartwatch camera. Matter of fact, it's the ChronoSmart watch. I picked this up at As Seen on TV store. So this is another product from the As Seen on TV line. Basically, this is the ChronoSmart Android smartwatch. This thing has wireless connectivity, SMS text, alarm clock, make and answer calls. So let's open up this box and do the unboxing and see what we got here. As you can see, inside the box, we of course have the instruction manual right here, ChronoSmart smartwatch user manual. Also, we have a barcode here where you can scan this barcode to get the app onto your phone, which I already have installed to make things a little faster here for the video. So this is the instruction manual. We'll put that on the side there. Also, next thing we have is the actual watch. Let me see, did I miss anything? No, nothing on there. Oh, okay. So we take this out, sit this on the side, and we have, of course, the charging cable, USB type charging cable right here for the watch, regular standard. So we move that over, and of course, here's the actual watch. Ooh, it feels kind of heavy. Feels kind of heavy too. So let's go open this baby up. Oh, it will help. Here it is right here. Oh yeah, this thing looks sleek. Look at this baby, ChronoSmart 12030. Ooh, it feels sturdy. This is nice and sturdy right here. Let me see. Ooh, nice. Plastic case on the back, and as you can see, right on the back, you can pop that off. Take the back right off here, and there you go. You have your battery right there in the back. Let me put this back on and let's crank this baby up. Here's your camera right here. Oh, this thing does have a built-in camera on it too. There's your camera, there's your speaker, and here's the jack on the side right here where you plug your charger up, or you could plug into your computer to get the files off. So let's turn this thing on. Let's hold this down. Yes sir, there we go. That baby cranking up. Yes sir. Okay, as you can see right here, very responsive. Phone book. See what we got in here. Phone book, back, the dial, call logs, messages. Let me go to the side. You got your remote notifier, your file manager, image viewer. Oh, yeah, you do need a SIM card in it, SD card. I don't have one in it now. Remote capture, install Bluetooth notifier, and come back to that. And it should have settings on here. There's settings right there. Here's a calculator right here. Yep, calculator. Touch screen is very responsive. You got your alarm clock right here. You can set different alarms. Your calendar. Yep, there's your calendar right there. All your dates and everything. So let's go back. Here's the main screen again. Phone settings. Okay, here's your call settings. You can restore the phone, your security settings. Let's go here to these settings, and what I want to do, phone settings. Go to phone settings, flight mode, display, input, language, time and date stamp. You got flight mode, take it out of flight mode, and we want to go to normal mode. Yeah, it's in normal mode. Okay, I want to make sure I ain't put that in there. Miscellaneous, you got LCD backlight right there. The display, image 1. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, you can change the display on this thing too. Call settings, phone security, you can put a pin code in there. Let's go back one more. Here we go. You got the sound recorder, your audio player, your camera, and then the Bluetooth. So right now Bluetooth visibility is off. So power on Bluetooth first. Yes. So switching, and then what we're going to do is I got the Bluetooth on, TV-ChronoSmart. So we come over here to my phone, and we're going to do another scan of the Bluetooth out here, and we should be able to see that come right up. And is this it? I think it's the TV-ChronoSmart. Yep, there we go. TV-ChronoSmart. Yep, there we go. Sync date and time. Oh, okay, it's getting my notifications now. Yep, see, it's got my notifications. It just came through. Search date. Oh, yep, TV-ChronoSmart. And see, we are connected for calls and audio. So let's come back over here. So we are connected for calls. So now we're going to make a call with this thing and just see how this thing works. So we're going to do this, and let me dial a number. I'm trying to see. Just call let's see, 1-800. Just call a random 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just call a random number here. Bluetooth call.
Hello, and please listen carefully as our menu options may have changed. Calls are recorded for quality assurance. We're very excited to tell you about a special promotion for select callers. This will only take a moment. By answering just a few questions, we will find out if this offer is right for you.
As you can hear, guys, the sound quality is real good.
Are you or is someone in your household 50 years of age or older?
I just called a random number. I got some crazy stuff there. Alright, and then you got your contact list. You can put contacts in there. Not connected. You can connect to your contacts. This phone is nice. And Bluetooth. Oh, and then I didn't even show you guys that. Let me come back over here. Let me come back. I didn't even show you that part of it. Oh, wait a minute. I first gotta learn how to work this. Okay. Okay, there we go. Come over. And it has where it can keep track of your steps, your heart rate, and all that good stuff. So let's go one more over. Audio player. Here go BT music. You got your music right there. You can play your music. And right here you go. You got your sleep monitor, your pedometer, profiles, and sedentary reminder. So you can go here and you can start this, and it'll count your steps. See, if I were moving, you know, it would count my steps if I were moving. This would count all my steps right here. So we're just gonna pause that, reset that, so you can keep track of your steps. And what else? Oh yeah, Facebook. It has a browser, so you can go online, quick response. So if you need any help, you just scan this and you can get some help. Anti-loss, you get anti-loss right here. You can go on Facebook. If you link it up with Facebook, you can link it up with Twitter, and you can link it up with WhatsApp. You can also insert a SIM too. So if you want to actually put your SIM card from your cell phone in this, you can. And then of course the SD card, so you can save pictures and stuff. Sound recorder, BT music. Okay. So yeah, this is a nice little phone I got from Asino. It's real steady too. You know, you put it right on your arm. Nice little watch. So if you're looking for a good, affordable smartwatch that does pretty much, you know, everything you need to do. And see, there you go, right there. That's on my wrist like that. Nice and steady. You know, so you know, not too big, just a little bigger than a normal watch, but hey, it gets the job done. Answer calls, as long as you're in range of your phone, but it's good to go. So this is another, you know, review. I definitely will recommend in this if you're looking for just a real cheap Android smartwatch, and to keep track of your steps and to hear your calls right there. You know, it's the ChronoSmart smartwatch with a camera. Oh yeah, I didn't go over it that much, but it does have a camera, so you can actually record with the phone. But I think the way it works, I guess, is upside down, but you just hit that and you can record, you know, with your phone. And then make sure, you know, it'll have a indicator in there and you want to make sure you download the BT notification app. So basically you'll get an app like that, BT notification. You download that app and it works with it, and you all set. Thank you guys for watching this product review. Make sure you guys get to As Seen on TV, get your Android chrono watch, and I'm going to see you guys on the next review.